We're stealth camping in the city tonight. We're just parked at the local Safeway to get some snacks because we're gonna watch a movie later. With the snow, it's been snowing more and more and more, and because of that, we have been having a harder time getting out into the backcountry to like park somewhere. So it's just easier for us if we park in the city tonight, and probably from now on, more camping in the city. This is a pretty small town though, so it's not really.
It's not exactly a city.
It's not a city. There, and it's a very it's fairly van life friendly area. I know some places obviously it wouldn't be that easy to do, but I think where are we going to sleep tonight? Find that out. Figure it out.
Yeah.
We'll see where we'll sleep tonight. I don't know. It's kind of fun, you know. I get to pick what part of town I want to live in tonight. Take Aspen for a little walk, and we'll show you. Main Street's so pretty here. It's very cutesy, and there's lots of lights set up for Christmas. So. But I'm gonna go inside and get some snacks.
So, if any of our viewers have never driven in a snowstorm before, and you're not from a place that has snow, I would recommend never using your high beams, because it's what I like to call entering light speed. It's like Star Wars. Here, I'll turn on my high beams in a second. I just have to get by these vehicles here. Lazy job at this right now. It's not bedtime. We don't need 100% privacy. We're going to, well, first off, we're gonna clean up because it's a disaster.
It gets very bad very fast.
Yeah, I accidentally put some chips on the ground and there's stuff everywhere, and there's a drill here. I bought a second carbon monoxide detector that actually tells me the parts per million, so now we're extra safe. But we need a nitrogen dioxide detector now. I cannot find one that has any reviews, and they're really expensive, and when they don't have reviews, it's I don't want to buy it. So if anyone has any recommendations, we're starting to run out of room in here. There's not a lot of... This is pretty full, as you can tell.
It's my foot.
We are going... I need to take my jacket off. Oh, it's currently 28 degrees Celsius in here. And that's atrocious. It's currently, I think, -6 outside. Actually, let's just find out. Alright, it's time to make some chicken noodle soup. Need the rice cooker. Put the broth in. Time for a nice, delicious dinner.
There's a garbage bag there. You can just throw it on them.
No, there's a garbage. I just throw our garbage on the floor, oh well.
away. Oh, right on the pillow.
Well, of course.
What? You eat carrots all the time.
That carrot was not good enough. That shallot was extreme. We had to open the window. It was a bad shallot. Or, as we always say, that was a bad onion. Bay leaf. Oh, doesn't want to come out. There's our soup. Yeah, it's just a bay leaf. I accidentally threw it. I meant to throw it in there. So I put too much water in there, so we need to discard some of it. I don't know what I was thinking.
It's a bit difficult.
Quick. Let's just see what happens. Ooh, that's vinegary. We don't mess today. Yeah, I decided it was a little cold, so I put on this toque. It's only 28 Celsius in here.
I don't think you can call that hat a toque.
Wait. Yeah, this is a little more than a toque, isn't it? It's just, I was feeling a draft, you know, in this 28 degree weather.
Mm-hmm.
It's like I'm back in Kelowna in the summertime, but you know, I just felt a little chill. So I put this on, and yeah, I'm just, you know, it's about 40 degrees now. What am I doing? I need a fan. I need to go stand outside. Don't look at my hair, it's awful. This is what happens when you wear a toque all the time. Okay, well, I say we mount our second carbon monoxide detector now. This is our little project. We have Wi-Fi here too from surrounding businesses that offer free Wi-Fi. So we can load up some, well, we have stuff downloaded, but we can load up anything, watch YouTube.
So we decided to put the carbon monoxide detector there.
Look at that chicken noodle soup steam.
It is hot. It's like 30 degrees now, and because of the rice cooker, all the steam from cooking the soup, we're in a chicken noodle soup sauna.
A chicken noodle soup sauna.
Yeah.
Holy.
Oh, it is hot though. It's very hot in here.
I feel like we need to be like the Finnish people.
Yeah, now we need to run outside, roll around in the snow, come back in.
Yeah, I mean, the only difference is that this is a chicken noodle soup sauna.
Yeah, I mean, they got up their game, those Finns.
I think those noodles are very done, like overdone. We need to figure out some sort of lighting situation in here so it's not, like the camera's not on a high ISO the whole time. This is what we've got going on here. It's a
You can't really see it.
It's a lamp with a paper towel on the front because I was trying to diffuse the light.
It's a headlamp that's attached to the Velcro of the curtain with a paper towel to make the light softer.
Yeah, it's just too harsh. I should have had at least 2 paper towels in front of it. I was looking at a ring light or something. I don't know. Like, I want to get a light, like a scone. Scones? Scones. Like a scones.
A scone?
Scone. A scone. But there's like 0 options here. Like up in
just where we live,
Canada,
yeah.
There's diddly squat. There is nothing. It's done though. Okay, off with you. That's enough.
Do you do anything but sleep, Aspen?
No, she does nothing.
She makes sure to get all of her sleeping in right here so that she can be up all night buying us.
Yeah.
The diesel heater is actually off right now. It's been off for about an hour because it's so hot in here. Like, it's not cold enough outside to keep up with the heat of this thing on the lowest setting. So we have to turn it off every once in a while, otherwise they're just boiling. Ooh, Netflix. What do you want to watch? We just watched the movie 14 Peaks, or documentary. It was really good.
Yeah, it was. Makes you
feel
inspired.
It does make you feel inspired. I really want to do a hiking trip.
It's one of those movies that makes you feel extremely pathetic.
Yeah, like, I need to do better. I can do better. I should do better. I usually eat and watch a show and stuff in one spot, and then we will move and go to sleep in a different spot. Just to, you know.
Yeah, we don't stay in one place long.
Yeah.
I never, ever stay in the daytime. I never stay there.
At the place we'll be sleeping.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just limit our presence there as much as possible. Move around a bit, spread it out.
There's some garbage on the floor.
It's not like we're cooking outside or anything, but, you know.
I don't really think anyone would care anyways. I mean, this is literally only a pickup truck.
Yeah.
And it's only a 6'4" box pickup truck, so it's not exactly big.
It doesn't look like we're camping here either. I mean, I'm sure, I don't think anyone knows we're in here, so. But just, you know, it's a good practice to get into.
I don't want to make anybody mad.
Mm-hmm.
I never sleep anywhere you're not supposed to. This is a little bit like I don't know. Like, there's no signs here, so
yeah.
I mean,
This spot right now, like, we think we can. It's not 100%, but it doesn't say we can't.
But usually we stay somewhere where it is actually allowed. But in the daytime, I always go somewhere completely different.
It's not always that easy, though, to find somewhere to park that you are 100% allowed. Sometimes.
Yeah.
But, I mean, we've managed to work things out and kind of plan where we're going. We also look at areas beforehand just to see, like, how van life friendly they are. That's really been helpful, because then we know if we need to book a campsite or something.
Yeah.
Also, there's some places out in the middle of nowhere where it's like, you would be surprised to see somebody, like, why is this not, like, why are you not allowed to overnight park here? So.
Well, yeah, and also, like, some of the places we park, for example, there are grocery stores, and it's like, you know, I go in there, I buy groceries or breakfast, and, I mean, technically I'm paying.
Yeah, paying for parking.
Paying for parking.
Yeah.
I mean, we go there usually around 10:30, 11, sleep, leave by 8:30, and, you know, we buy our groceries.
Yeah, wherever we stay, we try to support if we can.
Yeah, so I mean, you know, really, if someone's like, oh, don't park here, well then, I guess they lose our business. I love these 24-hour water stations. You know, I'll just do... $1.50. I thought it did exact change only, but...
It says exact change only.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I might not get my 50 cents back.
Wow.
It's still snowing. It's pretty nice out here.
It's pretty out here.
It's warm. Like the snow, what happens, like it was minus 13 just the other day, or yesterday. But it's only minus 5, 6 now. Because the snow's rolled in. It's nice.
Yeah.
These stations are great though. 24-hour water fill up. I don't have to lug this into Safeway. But we were on Main Street there. We were gonna watch a movie. Then we realized we didn't have any water. But then we passed Main Street. And it's so pretty in the snow, so we might go for a little walk.
I love this. Debit machine may or may not work. New one coming.
We're now in bed mode, and the dog has stolen my spot. Well, hopefully we don't get towed tonight.
I'm sure we'll be fine.
Guess we'll find out. We'll see if we survive the night. If we get towed, or if anything happens, we'll let you guys know.
I'm sure we're just gonna sleep soundly. So
We're probably gonna watch maybe one TV show, go to bed, and then if we survive, we'll see you in the morning.
A little dramatic.
A little dramatic, yeah, very. You can hear a plow out there. Actually, it's probably a skid steer. There it is. It's a loader. It's very close. It was just right behind the truck. It's like, well, I guess sleeping is over. This is our alarm clock. It's a frosty morning. We quickly got out of the truck. We didn't want anyone to see us getting out, so we put on our shoes and then we just vaulted over the tailgate. Well, it's turned into an absolutely beautiful morning. It's currently minus 12 by this lake. The clearer it gets, the colder it gets. But at least you can sunbathe. So it feels warmer than it actually is. Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe if you'd like to see more of this lifestyle. Thanks for watching. It's slick.